Well, today is day 19 and I'm averaging just over 1 pound lost every 2 days, or over half a pound every single day. Hey, it's a pretty good average. Today was my third weigh-in, and to be completely honest, I was pretty nervous about this one. Remember 2 weeks ago I started back up with my weight training, and last week's weigh-in I only lost 2 ounces. If you recall, I told you this would only be a temporary stall. Make sure to go back and check out episode 3 if you haven't, to learn how a new exercise program can cause a temporary disruption on the scale. After that disappointing weigh-in, we left to go out of town, and I ended up falling into a trap. And by trap, I mean pizza buffet. I stuck to my goals the rest of the week. My macros were on track every day. I did my weightlifting workouts. I got my cardio. I got over 10,000 steps every day. This gave me a little bit of hope, but my nerves were still on edge. However, I went ahead and stepped on the scale, and to my surprise, I still managed to lose 4 pounds this week. So will I continue averaging over half a pound a day long term? No. But for now, I'll take it. So that brings my total weight loss to almost 12 pounds in just under 3 weeks. Now that deserves a happy dance. But since I don't dance, here's a video of my daughter doing happy dance. So just an update on the upcoming week. I'll be going to lifting 5 times per week as I've gotten my muscles reacclimated to lifting, so I'll be working each muscle group twice per week. I'll still continue to get cardio 2 to 3 times per week and getting 10,000 steps every day. My caloric goal will remain unchanged for now at 1,500 calories. Also, I have another great big challenge coming up this next weekend. We'll see how it turns out. I will tell you all about it. Stay tuned.